Hello friends, today we will discuss about a theory which helps to continue improvement in our day-to-day life. And it's not just a theory, it's a philosophy that helps to improve in a continuous fashion. Today we will discuss about the theory called Kaizen. Kaizen combines two Japanese words, Kai and Zen. Kai means to change or modify, and Zen means to improve or make better. So if we understand this word tightly, or if we understand this word combinedly, then it means improve better. It's a Japanese philosophy theory. Let's discuss about benefit of Kaizen. So Kaizen arouses company-wide continuous improvement. It provides a scientific approach to improve productivity by eliminating waste arising in business. It generates process oriented thinking. Kaizen emphasizes the implementation of ideas, not the generation of ideas. Kaizen makes alignment between employees, management, and the organization's objectives. It promotes harmonious relation among the employees. It leads to the empowerment of employees because they are expected to implement the improvement. What is the feature of Kaizen? Focus on customer, seek continuous improvement in product, service, and processes, acknowledge the problems openly and bring them on the surface, called surface problems. Try to get the root cause. Blame the process, not the persons. Encourage employees to be creative and innovative, adaptive, an environment of openness, honesty, and frankness. Create a teamwork environment. Focus on clear communication comprehensively and in depth with every employee. Avoid being a perfectionist. A good a good Kaizen offers the simplest and best way to achieve the purpose. Effective, like fixing the problem permanently and revolutionarily. Kaizen provide a permanent solution of the problem by identifying their root cause. Its correspondence to the departmental and company's goal and policies. It makes effective use of available resource as well, and there is no impact on resources. Let's discuss 10 principles of Kaizen. First, don't stop. It means improvement cannot be stopped. It's a continual process. Second, eliminate old process. Means always review old process and if required then eliminate those process and implement new one. Be proactive. Don't wait for disaster. Be proactive and try to work on the issues to avoid issues. Don't compare apple to apple. Always try new ideas based on your organization requirement. Don't go as per others or as usuals. Make corrections. Recognize the area of improvement and take corrective actions. Empower the employees. Always empower the employees to motivate them. Speak up and share their ideas. Learn about mistakes and others. Always learn from our mistakes and sometimes others and improve them and improve that area and ensure that it should not repeat. Before taking any action, always focus and analysis 5W, that is why, when, what, where, and who. Work on RCA called root cause. Always do RCA, root cause analysis, solving the issue in a temporary solution, but working on the root cause and improving that gap will stop the repeat of that issue. So always try to do root cause analysis called RCA and work on the root cause of the issue and try to fix it permanently. Focus on customer need. Always take feedback from customer on a regular basis and work on the improvement area highlighted by customer. Do daily stand up meetings in office, daily hurdle calls in office to discuss the issues and gaps. Create a feedback culture. Take feedbacks and suggestions from every employee. There are some tools and techniques also in Kaizen which helps to adopt Kaizen. So always follow Kaizen journal, like what I learned today and what I have improved today and what we can improve next day. Write down it. Follow the 5S method, like short, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Means explain simply. Always use PDCA cycle, like plan, do, check, act. The problem in Kaizen and mistake we did this, that everybody wants the result quickly. But Kaizens need patience. If you improve something, then don't stop. Keep track, keep observe, keep analysis it. Once you fix the problem, it doesn't mean it cannot occur again. The only way to avoid this to review it, to check it regularly. So don't consider Kaizen as a burden. Make it it's a lifestyle because improvement is not a one-time event. It's a daily mindset. So friends, I hope you understood this Kaizen theory, this Kaizen process, this Kaizen philosophy, and I hope you will adopt it and you will follow this. If you already adopted it, please comment me. If you know about it, please comment me. And if you're already following, then comment me what changes you have observed in your life. And if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And we'll meet again in next video with such a motivational and inspiring theory or book or process. Till then, take care and study. Thank you. Goodbye.